Ова е вториот меѓусебен двобој на Вардар и на Келце оваа сезона. Во Полска победивте релативно лесно. Кои се вашите очекувања од денешниот надпревар?
Yeah, of course. I think the both team have a lot of problem with injury. I think the both team have his best players with problem, but I think it will be very nice, very hard game because we're speaking about two teams who win in the last years the Champions League. That's why I think it's a level from this both team. It's of course it's very high.
Кои се дометите на Келци на Вардар оваа сезона во Лигата на шампионите?
For them for them start in the season, I say for me there are three favorites like Barcelona, Paris Saint-Germain, and Pick Szeged. That's why I think these three teams will have most possibility advance to Final Four. And after that coming the teams like Flensburg, Handewitt, like Rhein-Neckar Löwen, like Veszprém, like Kielce, like Vardar. We will be fighting, be there, and of course everybody want to win against these three bigs.
Наш впечаток е дека кога имате пократок ростер, играте подобро, а кога сте комплетни, не е баш така.
No. Of course, it's not the same. Really, it's very hard to say. But play without Luka Cenric and Michal Jurecki, it's really very difficult. That's why we have a lot of lucky that we played against Montpellier, who have a lot of injury players too. That's why we make really, I think, very good level. Of course, it's easier when you first time make preparation with Alex in the middle, in the center back, or with another place. But after that, it's every time it's stronger and stronger.
Вардар и Келце се познаваат доволно добро, но дали прашавте Циндрич или Душебаев да ви откријат некои тајни тоа како се работело во Вардар претходните сезони?
I think the both make history with Vardar teams. They win Champions League. Nowadays we have a lot of lucky that the both played with us. Of course, integration for these both players was easier as normal because they both have really very high level, one of the best players in his position, and of course everybody they speaking very good about Vardar.
Thank you.